good. Fast break layup. It's good.
A score again for the USI. Mainit na laban ang pinag-umpisahan nila. Ayan, number 6 again to serve for the side of USI. A good receive by number 2.
And that was through the block by the ATENEO. That was a good exchange of points in this first setting.
Yan, ramdam mga Aljon dito sa loob ng NCF covered court. Ang init at aksyon sa loob ng hard court.
Meanwhile, good serve by jersey number 6. What a great serve
Yes.
for him.
A straight 2 points coming from the side of Ateneo, and again, number 6 to serve that ball. Number 6, taking his time to serve that ball. Isang magandang laban dito, Aljon.
Float serve. That was again a service ace for the ATENEO with jersey number 6.
Yes, it's 3-3 on the set number 1. Talaga namang kaabang-abang ang larong ito ng USI versus Ateneo. It's 6 to serve again for the side of Ateneo. That was a service error. Yes.
That serve goes outside. We are now 4-3 in favor of USI.
Yes, for the side of USI, we have number 9 on the serving line. A good receive from the libero.
Chance to counter for number 19. Good pick up by USI number 6. Saison through the block. That was a great spike with their team captain, Saison.
Yes, Aljon. Talaga namang kabang-abang laro na to. It's 5-3. Abante na ng dalawa ang USI dito. Again, it's number 9 to serve that ball.
That was outside.
Yan naman. It's 5-4. Lamang dito ang USI. At hindi nakakalayo ang score nila dito sa set number 1. It's number 12 on the serving line for the Ateneo.
Serving. And that was again outside from the Ateneo. We're seeing here a miscalculation to the Ateneo's service.
Yes, again, USI on the serving line. It's number 2 to serve that ball. And it was outside.
Alitan tayo ng service errors
Yes.
dito, team.
It's 6-5. USI lamang ng isang puntos dito. Pero syempre, batiin din natin ang mga nanonood sa atin sa live, sa Facebook page ng GNN Sports TV, sa GNN TV 48 NAGA, at sa Bucal Facebook page. Maraming salamat po.
Again, a service error for the side of Ateneo.
It's 75-2 ang kalamangan dito ng USI.
Serving number 15. A great service is Mira.
Yan, tatlo na ang kalamangan dito ng USI. And I'm really glad na nawi-witness natin ang ganitong laro sa araw na ito. It's USI versus Ateneo de NAGA University.
Still serving, number 15. A great serve for him. Chance to counter for USI. A quick and backward for him.
Apat na sunod-sunod na puntos na nga nakuha dito ng USI. And a timeout called by Ateneo de NAGA. It's 9-5 ang puntos. Magbabalik pa rin po kami dito sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break layup. It's good.
Here at the NCF covered court, still serving number 15, USI.
Again, a quick pick up. Napakalakas na attack from the side of Ateneo. It's 9-6. Abante pa rin ng tatlo ang USI dito at number 19 on the serving line for Ateneo. A good receive by number 15.
A good hustle for Ateneo. 1-2 play. Nothing works for them. Good pick out for the Ateneo side. Number 6 touches the line. There was a good long ball for him.
Yes, it's 9-7 sa ating talaan. Dalawa pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng USI, pero humahabol itong Ateneo. And again, number 19 on the serving line for the side of Ateneo. A good receive from the libero.
Chance to counter for USI. Castillo. Good coverage for Ateneo. Chance to counter for number 6. A good pick up with the libero of USI. Castillo. Not for him now. Long ball for number 6 of Ateneo. And that was he missed it for USI number 19.
Yan, sunod-sunod na nga ang puntos dito ng Ateneo. Isa na lang ang hinahabol ng Ateneo dito. Again, it's number 19 on the serving line.
First set pa lang din, talaga namang mainit na ang
Yes.
labanan ng dalawang team na to. And that was service is for the Ateneo side.
Ayan, it's 9-9. Talaga namang tie na tayo dito sa set number 1. And 19 on the line for to serve for the side of Ateneo.
A good pick up with the libero. Chance to counter for Castillo. A good
Ball is
coverage for
alive.
Ateneo. Number 6 of Ateneo. The block, that was a great spike with their counter
Yan, maganda nga ay pinapakita dito ng Ateneo. Kahit nga sinabi nila kanina na 3 lang yung seniors na natira. Pero ngayon, ipinapakita nila na kahit mga baguhan, yung andito sa court na ito ay talagang lalaban sila against USI. And we are down to 10-9. Isa na ang lamang dito ng Ateneo. A great receive by the libero of
Castillo chance
USI.
to counter. And that was a great cross-court. The libero of Ateneo was able to handle that powerful ball.
It's the second tie of the set. We are down on 10 both. Ayan na, ipinasok na si number 9 dito sa court ng USI. Number 14 to serve. Good receive by number
Chance
19.
to counter for Ateneo. And that was a great fast play for Ateneo.
Yan, kailangan lang talagang maging consistent dito ng Ateneo para makuha nila ang kalamangan. It's 10-11 lamang ang Ateneo ng isang puntos. And number 9 to serve for the side of Ateneo. A good receive by number 2.
And that was a misreceive, but still, of
Yes.
course, we are noticing a little magic on the side of USI.
Nagkaroon dito ng kaguluhan sa side ng Ateneo, but still, we are on the third tie for this set. It's number 5 to serve. A good receive, but it was a serving ace from the side of USI. It's 12-11 lamang ang USI ng isang puntos dito. Number
Chance to
12.
counter for Ateneo.
Oh!
That was a miscommunication.
Naghintayan dito sa baba. Yes. And the score goes to USI. It's 13-11. Number 5 on the serving line for the side of USI.
A great pickup for the Ateneo. And a one-two play. It works for the Ateneo side.
Nagkabiglaan dito, Aljon. The score goes to Ateneo.
We're seeing a variation in the attacks of the Ateneo side.
Yes, it's 13-12. Lamang dito ang USI ng isang puntos pero habol ang Ateneo. Number 6.
Quick hit. And still a good dig. It wasn't a successful throw.
Naghintayan ulit sila dito sa side ng Ateneo. Kailangan nila ng komunikasyon dito. Dahil nga, lamang na ng dalawa itong USI sa ating talaan. Kalma, kalma, kalma. Yan ang kailangan ng dalawang grupong ito.
Serving number 6, USI.
Oh.
Wasn't a good receive. A free ball. Chance to counter for USI. Number 2, Saison. A great pickup with the Ateneo side. And that was a great spike from the Ateneo side.
Hindi nagkakalayo.
From the blocker
Yes.
of the USI.
Hindi nagkakalayo ang puntos dito ng USI Ateneo dahil nga parehas palaban ang dalawang kupunan na ito. It's 13-14. Ateneo to serve and it was outside. That point goes to USI. It's 15-13 na sa ating talaan.
USI is ahead by 2. It wasn't a
Yan. Number 8 to number 90.
and that was a check ball. A corner to the Ateneo side.
So Adjon, para dun sa mga baguhang nanonood ng volleyball, ano ba yung check ball? I-share mo naman sa amin, Adjon.
So sa mga nanonood po natin online, ang check ball po is you can use that attack in order to score or to get a point. You can use a blocker to swat it out or you can use your power to counter and break your blockers.
Yan, back to the ball game tayo. Number 19. 4 sets
Chance to
up.
counter for Ateneo.
Yes.
What a great dig with Castillo there. A great spike in the USI.
Yan, it's 15-14 na sa ating 16-14 na sa ating talaan. Palitan na ng puntos dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito.
Serving team captain of USI, Saison.
Received by number 2.
Chance to counter for Ateneo. A great dig with the libero of USI. Castillo. Chance to counter again for Ateneo. A good coverage for USI. Oh, that was a double mug for the center of USI.
It's 6-15 na sa ating talaan. Pero syempre bago tayo magpatuloy, pasalamatan lang ulit natin ang ating mga sponsors, Camsur Viaje, NAGA College Foundation, 3 de Calibre Security Agency, VR Gallery by NCF, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges, Cap Azon Peñaflor, Congressman Gabi Bordado, NCF Driving School, William Sons, SM City NAGA, Tigers Cafe, Wow Worlds of Water, AAT Graphic and Ads, at NCF Training Pool. Back to the ballgame tayo, USI. Dito ang mag-serve. It's number 15.
Straight to the net
Yes.
for number 15.
A service error played by number 15. It's 17-15 na ang puntos dito. Dalawa ang kalabangan ng USI. And it's number 19 on the serving line for the side of Ateneo.
A good receive for USI. Chance to counter. Saison. What a great receive from the Ateneo side. And that one again through the blockers of USI. Ateneo was able to manufacture a point.
We are tie again on set number 1, 17 all. Talagang maganda ang laban sa dalawang koponan na ito. Again, it's number 19 on the serving line of Ateneo.
A great receive by Mira. Castillo. And that was a long ball according to our first referee.
And a timeout called by the side of USI. Magbabalik pa rin po kami dito sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break left. It's good. Fast break left. It's good.
And we're back here live at the NCF Covered Court, live on GNN Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon. For the meantime, serving for the Ateneo side, Castillo.
And it
that
was
was a
scored.
great attack by the line.
Another tie for USI and Ateneo for set number 1. 18 all na tayo. Malapit na. But still, number 14 on the serving line for the side of USI. And it
That
was a
straight
service
to the
error.
net.
Yes.
Number 14.
Kailangan lang nilang bawasan dito yung error. Pero maganda na yung pinapakitang laban ng dalawang koponan na ito.
These both teams is not giving up in this first set. Talaga namang habulan lang ng puntos.
Dikitan ang laban dito, Aljon. Talaga namang kailangan mong tutukan dahil walang puntos ang nasasayang dito. Back to the ballgame tayo. Number 9 to serve that ball. Number 9.
Chance to counter for Castillo. Was able to receive for the Ateneo side. Drop ball. A nice dig. Mira. A regalo for the Ateneo.
Yes, another point goes to Ateneo. It's 20-18 na dito sa ating talaan. Magandang laban na ipinapakita ng dalawang kupunan. And
Is
number
still
9.
serving, number 4 for Ateneo.
A great receive from number 15.
Chance to manufacture for number 9.
Oh!
It was a straight to the net.
Ayan, USI Ateneo, it's 18 to 21. Number 9 to serve that ball again for the side of Ateneo.
A great receive for USI. Chance to manufacture for Castillo.
Oh!
That was a big spike.
Yes,
The Ateneo wasn't able to receive that ball.
a strong attack from the side of these two opponents. Talaga namang it's 19 to 21. USI to serve that ball. It's 5. Number 4.
Good receive by the libero of USI. A quick, and it works for USI. Number 9 is now finding his rhythm
Yes.
to manufacture a point for a quick.
Pero hindi nagkakalayo ang puntos natin dito. It's 20 to 21. Kaya hindi mo rin alam kung sino ang makakakuha ng set number 1. At para naman dito sa USI, it's number 5 on the serving line.
A great dig to Ateneo. A good hustle for Ateneo. Chance to manufacture a point for USI. Quick. And that was long ball for number 9.
Was outside. Again, points to Ateneo. And a timeout called by the USI. 22 to 20. Magbabalik pa rin po kami dito sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break left. It's good. Fast break left. It's good.
And we are back here in the NCF covered court and live online on GNN Sports TV. Ateneo is ahead by 2-20 of USI.
Balik tayo sa ball game number 6. And the score.
A point to the Ateneo side.
Yan, tuloy-tuloy na nga ang puntos dito ng Ateneo. Kailangan humabol ng USI. It's 23 to 20. Again, it's number 4 on the serving line for the side of Ateneo. Number 4. Good receive.
Chance to manufacture for a point for USI. And that was a lucky point for USI.
Yes!
It was a misreceive, but it still drops in.
Yan, nagtawanan pa nga dito sa side ng USI. And it's number 6 on the serving line. It's 21 to 20. Isang
Tiket
magandang
ang laban
laban.
natin ngayon, team.
Yes. A good pick up by number 8.
Chance to manufacture for Ateneo. A good receive, Castillo. A pipe set and straight to the net for Castillo.
Yan, nasa set point na tayo dito. It's 24 to 21. Isa na lamang para sa Ateneo at nakukuha na nila ang set number 1. Number 6 on the serving line of Ateneo.
It's now
Yes.
22-24.
It's very crucial na dito ang puntos, Aljon. 24-22. Hindi na kailangan ng error dito dahil isang magandang laban ang pinapakita nila. USI, number
Chance to
90.
counter for Ateneo. A good deal for Castillo. Saison. And that was through the black. We are seeing a quality volleyball in this season.
Ayan, Aljon, at timeout called by Ateneo. Magbabalik pa rin po kami dito sa GNN TV 48 NAGA at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break layup. It's good.
And we are back here live at the NCF covered court. Ateneo is set point. Chance to manufacture for Ateneo.
Yan.
Chance to counter for USI. Mira, a free ball. Ateneo chance to counter. And that was an automatic point for USI.
Yes!
And we are now tied to 24.
Ayan! Magkakaingayan na dito sa lahat ng NCF covered court at talaga namang masaya itong fans ng USI dahil buhay na buhay pa ang laban dito. It's 24 all, USI to serve.
Chance to counter for Ateneo. A great coverage for USI. Saison.
Yes!
For USI.
Isa na lang dito, makukuha na ng USI ang set number 1. Palitan na puntos, isang magandang laban ang ibinibigay ng dalawang koponan na ito.
Serving for set point. USI.
Number 9.
Chance to manufacture a goal for Ateneo. And that was a goal for Ateneo. USI was able to win that point.
And that ends our set number 1. USI wins against Ateneo with the score of 26-24. Hindi pa natatapos sa action dito sa Bucal Season 4 dahil magbabalik pa kami sa set number 2. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good.
everyone, I am Mary Bless Eliza Balan, 18, from Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, taking up Bachelor's of Science in Development Communication, and I will be your courtside reporter for Bucal Season 4. I grew up really sheltered and hindi rin ako masyadong sporty. But I am an active dancer and public speaker, so I really enjoy the spirit of the crowd. Kaya naman nung nagkaroon ng chance to be part of the Bucal Season 4, grinab ko talaga siya agad. Ngayong season, ihahatid ko sa inyo ang siksik, liglig, walang labis, walang kulang na balita sa loob at labas ng hardcourt. Bucal Season 4 is fast approaching, kaya naman samahan nyo kaming tuklasin kung sino ang susunod na kampiyon. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng Mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good.
And we are live here at the NCF Covered Court and live online on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng Mga Kampiyon, and the Ateneo was able to snatch the first, or rather USI was able to win the set number 1 over the Ateneo. To know more what happened to that set, let's hear from our courtside reporter, Eliza.
Dikit man ang laban, hindi pa rin naalpasan ng Ateneo Golden Knights ang bagsik ng Falcons sa set 1. Halos nagpapalitan lang nga ng puntos, kaya ramdam na natin ang tensyon ng mga nanonood ngayong hapon. Bumawi at huwag magsisigan, huwag pabayaan ang blockings, kapit lang. Yan ang payo ng coach para manatiling kalmado at focus ang mga Atenista. Pareho nga ang palaban ng dalawang kupunan, kaya marami ang pwede pang mangyari sa susunod na minuto ng laro. Alamin natin ang susunod na mga kaganapan. Back to you, Aljan and Tin. Ayan nga, nadalo nga ang USI dito sa set number 1. Sabi nga ni Eliza, bawasan lang yung tensyon and nervous dito sa kadalawang kupunan. Dahil maganda nga yung laban na ipinapakita nila. Huwag magsisiyan dahil nga isang magandang laban ang hinatid nila sa atin. So Aljan, ano nga ba nangyari dito sa set number 1?
Looking at the statistic of both teams on the set number 1, the spikes, it's Ateneo over 10 to USI 15. The blocks, Ateneo got 0, block of USI is 2. And service naman, 5 ng USI over 3 ng Ateneo. However, sa errors, quite high sa Ateneo. They got 11 over 4. So, madami ang errors ng Ateneo sa set number 1. But I'm sure they will make an adjustment for this second set.
Yes, papasok na nga tayo dito sa set number 2. Meron ng isang set na nakuha dito ang USI. And it's number 5 to serve the first ball for the set number 2.
Castillo taking his time.
Good to
The
see.
pick up of number 2, chance to come to the Ateneo. And that was a big hit for the Ateneo side.
Napakalakas naman nun, Arjun, talaga naman. Isang magandang set number 2 naman ang ipapakita dito ng dalawang koponang ito. At ang unang puntos nga ay napunta sa Ateneo, number 6 to serve, and it was outside.
Automatic point to USI.
Iyan, Arjun. Ito, pasalamatan natin ang mga nanonood sa atin ng live sa GNN Sports TV. Maraming salamat din sa ating sponsors, NAGA College Foundation, Fide Calibre Security Agency, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges, Lemon Residences, Mangkok Kinalas,
Mansonic Security Agency, NCF Medical Center, Nagayan Travel and Tours, Wanya Awesome Restaurant and Catering Services. For the meantime, Ateneo got that point.
Yan, we are 1-all. Tie na tayo dito sa set number 2. It was a service error coming from the side of Ateneo. Ayan na.
It's now a 2 apiece for this both teams.
Alam mo, Adjon, para sa mga first time manonood ng volleyball, isang kabang-abang itong larong ito ng USI versus Ateneo. And it was outside from the side of USI.
Pagkita na naman tayo ng service errors sa set number 2.
Yan, it's 2-3. Lamang ang Ateneo dito ng isa. Number 2 on the serving line to serve the ball for the side of Ateneo. Taking his time.
A great receiver there, libero of the USI. A point awarded to USI. Touch the net
Yan nga,
for number 15, Lira.
yan, ang nakuha nga ng Ateneo ang puntos dito. Dalawa na ang kalamangan nila sa set number 2. At number 2 to serve that ball on the side of Ateneo. Taking his time again. Good receive from the libero of
Chance to
USI.
manufacture to USI. A great recovery for USI. A free ball for the side of Ateneo. A 1-2 play. A great dig for number 6. Chance to counter for Ateneo. A great pick up for USI.
A long rally there.
A quick, and that was a point for the Ateneo.
Yan, such a long rally we've seen there. It's 2-5. Tatlo na nga ang kalamangan dito ng Ateneo. Number 2 again to serve the ball for the side of Ateneo.
A quick place is now collecting in the Ateneo side.
Yes, John, magandang laban. Set number 1, set number 2. Parehong maganda ay pinapakita ng dalawang pupunan na ito. Back to the ball game tayo, John.
Saison with a soft hit. Chance to counter for Ateneo. A free ball for USI. Chance to counter. Again, it was a soft touch. A miscommunication there. Free ball for USI. A quick, and that was a successful direct attack.
Yan, magandang umpisa sa dalawang koponan na ito. It's 3-5. Palitan ng puntos sa dalawang koponan na ito. Dalawa na nga ang kalamangan ng Ateneo dito pero hindi pa rin magpapatalo itong USI.
Serving number 2, team captain Saison.
Good receive.
A quick, touches the line.
Yes, score! Goes to Ateneo. It's 3-6 na tayo dito. Maraming salamat din sa mga nanonood dito sa ating venue, ang NCF Covered Court na punong-puno na nga ng supporters ng dalawang koponan na ito. Back to the ball game tayo. Number 19 to serve the ball. Good receive by
Chance to
number
manufacture
11.
for USI. And it was successful. Castillo with a great hit.
Yes, it's 4-6 na tayo nga dito sa ating talaan. Number 15 sa side ng USI ang magsaserve ng bola. Taking his time. Good receive.
Chance to
by the
manufacture
libero.
for Ateneo. Powers through the block.
Ayan, magandang laban ito. USI versus Ateneo. Talaga namang hindi magpapatalo ang dalawang koponan na ito sa pagsisimula ng laro sa araw na ito. It's number 9 to serve. Good receive by the libero of USI. Number 6. Number 5.
A great block for the Ateneo.
Yes, it's 4-8. Apat na nga ang kalamangan dito ng Ateneo. Number 9 to serve that ball again. He is taking his time dahil lamang sila ng apat dito.
A great receive for Mira. A free ball for the Ateneo side. A quick and finds this spot.
Yan, sunod-sunod na nga ang puntos na nagagawa dito ng Ateneo na kung saan maganda ang pinapakita ng bawat players from both sides. Either USI or Ateneo, talaga namang walang tapon sa dalawang koponan na ito.
A good receive for Mira. Chance to manufacture a point, and that was a long ball awarded to the Ateneo side.
It's 4-10 na sa ating dito sa ating talaan. 6 na ang lamang ng Ateneo dito. Again, it's number 9 to serve that ball for the side of Ateneo.
A float serve there. What a great receive for USI. And that was a check ball for USI.
Shot ball for the USI. It's 5-10. Nakuha nga ng USI dito ang puntos. 5 na lang ang kalamangan ng Ateneo at hinahabol na nga ng USI dito sa set number 2. Good receive by number 19. Number
Chance to counter
16.
Ateneo. And that was a point to USI. It was outside.
It was outside. It's 6 to 10 sa ating talaan. Ayan na nga. Number 11 to serve the ball again for the side of USI. And it was outside.
A long ball at crucials in the center for the side of USI.
And now, Ateneo to serve that ball at 6 to 11. 5 ang kalamangan ng Ateneo dito. Yan na nga. Para dito sa parte ng Ateneo, papasok na si number 15 na kung saan nagpapakita din ng isang magandang laban dito. Alam mo, Adon, maingay na dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court from the supporters of Ateneo and USI. Back to the ball game tayo. It's number 4 to serve the ball for the Ateneo side.
Taking his time to serve. A good float serve was there, but it was good receive for the side of USI. And that was a miscalculation for the side of USI.
It was outside and a timeout called again. Ayan, Aldon, iba na nga. Magandang laban ang ipinapakita sa atin ng dalawang ito. Dito pa rin yan sa GNN Sports TV. Dito sa mga kapito.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break layup. It's good.
GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampyon. It's 12 to 6. And that was a great hit, but a good pick up for Castillo. And it wasn't a good.
Ayan nga, 6 to 12 na sa ating talaan dito. Again, number 4. Nagkaroon lang ng konting problema sa side ng USI, but still, there are trembling and fighting for the set number 2.
A great serve. A free ball for the Ateneo. Chance to counter. And that was a great dig for Nira. Again, a point for the Ateneo side. It was a 4 touches.
Ano bang ibig sabihin nun, Ado, na 4 touches dito?
So ang 4 touches din, ito ang one spiker can't hit the ball over or the spiker are hitting straight to the net. That was what we called a 4 touches.
Yan, back to the ball. And a score again for the side of Ateneo. Magandang laban dito. And it's number 5
Still serving number 4, taking his time.
Laban. Nagkakaroon na ng pagkakaroon. Again, number 4. Serve that ball for the side of Ateneo. Received by the libero of USI.
Chance to counter for Ateneo. Number 6! And that was outside.
Outside in. Number 7 to 15. Talaga namang humahabol itong USI. Kasi sabi nila, hindi pa tapos ang laban dito. Number 5, serve. Isipin number 2.
Number 2, chance to counter. And returns to their court. A great blocking for the USI.
Yan, dalawang puntos pa nga ang sunod-sunod at nagagawa niyo ng USI. And again, number 5 on the serving line. Isipin number 2.
A middle attack. And it was pop up with the USI. And it was
Outside.
outside line.
Nakuha nga ng Ateneo dito ang puntos. 8-16 na sa ating talaan. Number 6 to serve that ball. Siyempre, gusto lang din nating pasalamatan ang mga nanonood sa atin sa live, sa Bucal Facebook page at GNN Facebook page. Maraming salamat po. Comment down. Wala.
A great move the box line with jersey number 15 of the Ateneo. It was
Yan na nga, yung Ateneo to serve that ball. It's number 6. Oh,
a great day by number 8 of USI.
ball is still
Chance
alive.
to manufacture for Ateneo.
Oh.
That was a miss hit for Velasco. A great serve for USI. A free ball for them. A middle attack. And that was a point for USI.
Puntos pa naman dito ng USI. 7 sa ating talaan. Wala ang kalamangan dito ng Ateneo. Pero puntos pa rin ang puntos ng USI. And it was outside for both guys.
Ateneo is now ahead by
8 points. Now Ateneo on the serving line. It's number 12 para ihatid ang bola sa USI.
and that was straight to the net. We're seeing an exchange of service errors here in
Sa number 2, ayan na nga, nakuha ng puntos dito ng USI. It's number 9, it's number 9. Number 2, 4 sets up for number 15.
Velasco straight to the net.
Celebration right there. Score goes to again, USI. So, mga puntos, magandang laban ay pinapakita dito ng dalawang kumpleto. Walang tapon.
Chance to manufacture for Ateneo, and that was with the help of a little magic.
Nagkaroon dito ng hindi magandang komunikasyon sa grupo ng USI. Number 2 on the serving line para itatid ang bola sa USI. 12-19. Ito na, kalamangan dito ng Ateneo. Number 2 taking his time. Good receive by USI.
Chance to manufacture for USI, and that was a great point. Wasn't able to receive that ball.
It's 13-19. It's 13-19 points. Ayan na. Malita na puntos dito sa dalawang kulang na ito. It's number 2 on the line.
And that was a long ball for the team captain, Saison.
Number 3 on the serving line for Ateneo. It's 13-20. Ito ang kalamangan ng Ateneo dito. Pero syempre, hindi magpapatalo ang USI.
A great pickup for the libero. Castillo finds the long ball. That was a great spike for him.
14-20. Siyempre, pasalamatan din natin ang ating mga sponsors, NAGA College Foundation, Critical University Agency, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges, Lemongrass Schools, Bangkok Pinalas, Mansonic Security Agency, RCF Wings, BLMR Psychometric Center, Nagayan Travels and Tours, at Tonya Osang Restaurant and Cafe.
For the meantime, we're seeing a long rally here, but it was a 2 touches for USI.
And a timeout called by the side of USI. Ayan nga, Aljon, usapan natin ang nangyari dito. Nagkaroon tayo ng mga errors from serving, miscalculation, miscommunication from the side of USI, and also for the side of Ateneo. Pero magandang laban pa rin to.
As you mentioned it, Ian, we're seeing an exchange of service errors there. We're seeing that both teams is trying to manufacture a point, so they have to be careful with their service errors.
Yan, hindi din kailangan dito maging kampati ng USI dahil nga nakuha nila yung set number 1 dahil nga lumahabol dito ang Ateneo. And we are back again. It's Ateneo versus USI. And number 9, the serve ball for the side of Ateneo. Taking his time. It's 14-21 sa ating talaan. Good receive.
A great serve with the Ateneo.
Number 2.
Chance to manufacture for Ateneo. Number 6. Oh, that was a long ball. Again, error for the Ateneo.
Yan na nga, papasok na ulit dito sa court ang libero ng Ateneo. It's number 8. 15-21.
Must be careful in this set because USI is trying to manufacture a point. Ateneo, again, a long ball here. They have to try.
Yes, a timeout called from the side of Ateneo. Nagkakaroon nga dito ng miscalculation and miscommunication. Medyo malakas yung mga atake dito ng Ateneo, kaya nagiging outside, John.
Ateneo just need a 3 points in order to close this second set, but USI hindi magpapaday ang USI because they are trying their best in order to snatch every point from the Ateneo side.
Yes, hindi din talaga sila kumakampante dito sa larong ito dahil magaling din naman itong Ateneo. And USI really needs to be careful with their services. Also for the side of Ateneo. Again, we are back again to the ball game. It's number 11 to serve that ball for the side. Taking his time.
A great receive by the libero of Ateneo.
Oh,
A great coverage is there. Pipe set. Chance to counter for Castillo. Again, Castillo tries one more time, and it was straight to the net.
the score goes to Ateneo. It's 22-16. Tatlo na lamang dito ang iniintay ng Ateneo. Pero syempre, habol pa ang USI Falcons para naman makuha nila ang set number 2. It's number 4 to serve the ball for the side of Ateneo.
A great
Good receive.
service there. A free ball for the Ateneo. Number 6.
Oh,
It was a missed set for the Ateneo side.
yan, nakuha nga ng puntos dito ng USI. It's 16-22. Number 5 to serve the ball. Good receive by number 2.
Chance to get a point for number 2.
Oh,
Finds the line.
such a soft spike right there. And we are on 17-23. Ito talaga, John, malapit na tayo sa pagtatapos ng set number 2. Pero painit pa lang ng painit ang laban na ito ng Ateneo versus USI.
So we're seeing a variation in the attacks of Ateneo from quick to drop ball. And also from USI, they're focusing and challenging the blockers of the Ateneo.
And number 6 on the serving line for the side of Ateneo. Good receive by number 8.
A great hustle for Castillo. Free ball again for the Ateneo. Number 6. A great pick up with the team captain, Saison. A pipe, spike, and that was madaling back of net.
Yes, it's 18-23. Hindi pa nga tapos ang laban dito ng USI at Ateneo dahil pinapakita ng USI na habol at habol pa rin sila dito. And number 6 to serve the ball.
A great dig with the libero. Number 19. Oh, what a dig with the libero of USI.
Number 8.
USI. The libero of Ateneo wasn't able to handle that ball from Castillo of the USI.
Humahabol naman talaga itong USI. We are just down to 4 points. Isa na lamang. Number 6.
Chance to manufacture again for Ateneo. Through the ball for the Ateneo side. We are now in the set point in favor of the Ateneo.
10 puntos na lamang dito. Makukuha na ng Ateneo ang set number 2. Ano nga ba ang gagawin ng USI para makahabol sa set number 2? We have number 12 to serve the ball for the side of Ateneo. He's taking his time. Talaga namang Aljon, ramdam mo yung tensyon dito ng dalawang koponan na ito.
These both teams really showcasing what is quality volleyball.
Yes, talaga namang pinapakita nila na sila ang mag-uumpisa ng larong ito sa araw na ito.
A great day with the libero of USI. Saison.
That was an error. Yes. And that is our set number 2. Ateneo wins against USI with a score of 25-19. Hindi pa dyan nagtatapos dahil meron pa tayong set number 3. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Fast break left. It's good.
Hi everyone, I am Mary Bless Eliza Balan, 18, from Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, taking up Bachelor's of Science in Development Communication, and I will be your courtside reporter for Bucal Season 4. I grew up really sheltered and hindi rin ako masyadong sporty. But I am an active dancer and public speaker, so I really enjoy the spirit of the crowd. Kaya naman nung nagkaroon ng chance to be part of the Bucal Season 4, grinab ko talaga siya agad. Ngayong season, ihahatid ko sa inyo ang siksik, liglig, walang labis, walang kulang na balita sa loob at labas ng hardcourt. Bucal Season 4 is fast approaching, kaya naman samahan nyo kaming tuklasin kung sino ang susunod na kampiyon. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break left. It's good.
We are live here at the NCF Covered Court and live online on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And that was the end of our second set. It was a tight second set. The Ateneo was able to make a comeback in that set, 25-19. And now we are at one set apiece. And to know what happened to that second set, let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Eliza.
Nakuha na nga ng Ateneo Golden Knights ang momentum ng laro. We saw the burning desire of Atenistas to win the set 2. This is a very stressful game between Ateneo and USI. Ang parehong kupunan ay nagpamalas ng lakas, tibay at galing para makuha ang kampyonato. Matupitang blocks and digs ang naging sandigan ng mga Atenista para makuha ang panalo sa set 2. Makapagpigil hininga nga ang mga kaganapan dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court. Papasok pa lang tayo sa set 3, kaya naman tutok lang dito sa GNN Sports TV. Balik sa inyo, Aljan and Tin.
Eliza, tama ka nga dyan, makapagpigil hininga ang naging laban natin sa set number 2. Papasok na nga tayo sa set number 3. It's tie 1-1 dito sa set number 1 at set number 2. John, ano ba ang nangyari dito sa set number 2?
So that set number 2 was a thrilling game for this both teams. However, looking at their statistics, Ateneo was able to get at 12 spike points over 11 of USI, 1 block to 2 of the USI, 0 service ace of Ateneo to 1 of USI. However, the errors of USI was quite high. It was 12 over 5 of the Ateneo.
Patuloy ang aksyon dito sa set number 3. Kaya na nga ang bola nasa Ateneo.
Chance to manufacture a point for Ateneo. What a good pick up for Castillo. We're seeing a great rally here. Saison. And that was driven down the block.
Through the block again. Nakuha ng USI dito ang unang pundo sa set number 3. Magandang set na naman to, Adon. Ang pakikita natin sa larong ito is USI versus Ateneo. Number 6 to serve the ball.
It was a long ball for USI. We're now at 1 apiece.
Yan, kailangan nilang bawasan dito yung error. Pero syempre, nagsisimula pa lang ang set number 3. Hindi pa natin alam kung ano ang mangyayari. And now, on the serving line, it's number 6.
Again, straight to the net. We're seeing an exchange of service errors in this third set.
Ayan, number 9 to serve the ball for the USI. Taking his time.
A great receive for Ateneo. Chance to manufacture for number 19. Mira. What a great pick up for the libero of Ateneo. Point for the Ateneo. Finding that spot for them. They are quite smart there for the Ateneo. They're finding a spot in order to get a point.
Tayo na nga tayo muli dito sa set number 3.
Again,
Service
Ateneo.
error.
Straight to the net.
Service error made again from the side of Ateneo. It's 3-2. Isa ang kalamangan dito ng USI at number 2.
Number 2 team captain of USI. Float serve, a great pick up in the libero of USI. And that was a long ball for the Ateneo.
The score goes to USI. It's 4-2. Dalawa na ang kalamangan sa ating talaan. Again, number 2 to serve the ball.
A great receive for the Ateneo's libero. And that was a point for USI.
Tatlong sunod-sunod na puntos na nga ang nagagawa dito ng USI sa set number 3.
Ateneo must control their service errors in this third set.
Again, number 2. Ayun na nga. He is taking his time.
Team captain, Saison server. A great pickup in the libero from Ateneo. A spike, and that was a miscommunication for the side of USI.
And the score goes to Ateneo. It's 5-3. Isang magandang laban, isang magandang set na naman ang ihahatid nila sa atin. Bago yan, pasalamatan muli natin ang mga nanonood sa ating Facebook Live sa Bucal, GNN at sa live audience natin dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court. Maraming salamat po. It's Ateneo serving the ball, taking his time.
And that was again a long ball for the Ateneo. Their service error was quite.
Yes, it's 6-3. Tatlo na nga ang kalamangan dito ng USI. Number 15 to serve. Good receive in number 6.
Chance to counter for Ateneo. And that was a hit. The last score for Team Ateneo's jersey number 9.
A strong spike right there. Dalawa pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng USI. Pero humahabol ang Ateneo. It's number 19 to serve the ball. Alam mo, Aljon, talagang ramdam mo na dito ang kaba dahil tied na nga tayo sa dalawang set na nangyari kanina. Number 19 to serve.
Again, that was a painful service error for the Ateneo side.
Ayan, kailangang iwasan to ng magkabilang kampo ang mga errors dahil very crucial ang larong ito. Number 14 on the serving line on the side of USI.
A great receive for the libero. A chance to manufacture a point for Ateneo. And that was a great spike for number 6. He readjusts the set, and that was a great point for him.
It's 75.
A flow serve, a good receive for the liberos of USI. A great pickup for Ateneo. And that was an outside
And the score
point
goes
for the
to-
Ateneo.
It's 7-6. Isa na lamang ang kalamangan dito ng USI dahil humahabol na ang Ateneo dito. Number 9 to serve the ball. And it was
Flow serve
outside.
again. A service error for Ateneo.
Yan, dito sa set number 3, medyo nakakarami ng errors sa service itong Ateneo na kailangan nilang bawasan dahil lamang ang USI dito ng 2 puntos.
A great receiver for the Ateneo's libero. And that was outside. A miscalculation for the Ateneo spiker.
It's 9-6, tatlo ang lamang ng USI. Nagsisimula pa lang ang laban, hindi dapat naging kampante ang dalawang kupunan na ito. 9-6, number 5 on the serving line for the side of USI.
Chance
Great
to
receive
manufacture
from
a point for
libero.
Ateneo. And that was ball again.
It's 9-7 sa ating talaan. Dalawa na lamang ang hinahabol dito ng Ateneo. Yan. Maraming salamat sa ating live viewers sa NCF, Bucal, GNN, at of course dito sa loob ng NCF
We would
Covered
like
Court.
also to thank our online viewers. Hi, good afternoon. Thank you for your support in this Bucal Men's Volleyball Season 4.
A service error coming from the side of Ateneo. And again, it was number 6 to serve the ball.
A great pickup of the libero of Ateneo. Chance to counter for Saison. A good coverage. Again, Saison tries one more time and straight to the net.
And it's the score of Ateneo here. It's 10-8 points. We are down to 2 dito sa USI. And it was number 6 to serve the ball.
A float service there. Chance to counter for Mira. A great coverage for the libero of the USI. Saison. A great hustle for number 6. A free ball for USI. Mira again. And it was ball in. Touches the line.
Wow, what a great rally we've seen right there. It's 11-8. Tatlo na lamang ang kalamangan dito ng USI. And number 9 on the serving line for the side of USI. He is taking his time.
These both teams is really showcasing how important a point is in this third set.
Yes, less error. Kailangan nila dito. Great to see from number 8.
Chance to manufacture a point for Ateneo. And that was through the block.
And the score goes to... It was 11-9. Lamang pa rin dito ang USI. That scores go to Ateneo. It was number 12 to serve the ball. Talaga namang ramdam mo yung tension dito sa loob ng NCF covered court, Aljon. Yes.
Dito, team.
Rinig na rinig mo yung mga supporters ng dalawang koponan na ito. Magandang laban. Number 2.
Chance to manufacture a point for Mira. What a good pickup for Ateneo. Number 5 again, that was straight to the net.
Best calculation here from the side of Ateneo. It's 12-9. Tatlo pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng USI. At umahabol din naman itong Ateneo. And number 2 on the serving line for the side of USI. Good to see you from Libero.
It was a automatic point for USI.
A point after point. Nagpapalitan ng puntos ang dalawang kupunan na ito.
Still serving team captain Saison. A float service there. A good pickup for the Ateneo's libero. And that was a great hit for the Ateneo side.
It's 13-10 sa ating set number 3. Tatlo nga ang kalamangan dito ng USI and it's number 1 of the side of Ateneo to serve the ball.
A short serve.
The ball is still alive.
Castillo. Straight to the net. Point to Ateneo.
Sunod-sunod na nga ang nagiging puntos dito ng Ateneo. They just need to be consistent here as well as for the side of USI. And it was number 1 to serve the ball again for the side of Ateneo. Great to see from number 2.
Mira again. And that was a great pickup for Ateneo. A long ball. We're seeing a long rally here. Castillo. And that was a great lead for number 1 of Ateneo. Oh, a little magic. Yes. That was a miss receive, but still a point for them.
It's 40-11. Nakakagulo na nga dito sa loob ng NCF covered court. Ang supporters ng dalawang koponan na ito hindi din nagpapatalo para i-cheer ang dalawang teams na to. It's USI versus Ateneo and number 15 on the serving line.
A great pick up for the Liberals of Ateneo. Chance to counter number 9. And that was straight to the net.
15-11 na sa ating talaan. Apat na ang kalamangan dito ng USI.
Still serving number 15, Mira.
Alam mo, Aljon, isang magandang laban dito sa loob ng NCF covered court. Yan, batiin din natin ulit ang mga nanonood sa atin sa Bucal Facebook page at GNN Facebook page. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay sa larong ito.
Castillo, chance to counter, but it was deflected by the blocker of the Ateneo.
Magandang laban ang pinapanood natin ngayon, Aljon. That score goes to Ateneo. It's 15-12. Tatlong kalamangan dito ng USI. Humahabol ang Ateneo dito sa set number 3. Great to see for number 2.
Castillo, oh, that was a miscommunication with the center USI in their middle blocker. An automatic point for the Ateneo side.
And number 5 on the serving line again. Alam mo, Aljon, magandang laban ang pinapanood natin ngayon. Number 5.
Ateneo, chance to counter. Saison with a great coverage. And that was a point for Ateneo. Net touch is called for the USI side.
Nagkakaroon nga dito ng diskusyonan between the referee and the player.
It's Castillo. Castillo who touches the net.
It's 15-14 sa ating talaan. Sinalama ang kalamangan dito ng Ateneo, ay ng USI, I mean. And number 5 to serve the ball. Great receive from the libero of USI.
And that was a point for the Ateneo side.
We are now tied 15-all dito sa set number 3. And it was number 5 again on the serving line.
A good receive for Mira. Castillo, chance to counter. Again, it was a 4 touches for him.
Nakuha na nga ng Ateneo dito ang kalamangan ng isang puntos. It's 15-16 points in set number 3. Again, number 5 on the line to serve the ball. Good receive by number 15.
For Mira. Again, a free ball for the Ateneo. Number 9, a good pickup for the libero. A good coverage for Castillo. Castillo got that point.
We are tied again on set number 3. 16-all. Talaga
Palitan
namang,
na naman tayo
yes,
ng puntos dito, Tin.
palitan ng puntos, palitan ng sigawan from both supporters of these two teams. Number 14 to serve the ball, and it was outside.
Outside, the point goes to the Ateneo.
17-16. Isang puntos, kalamangan dito ng Ateneo. At number 9, serving the ball. Good receive from the
Good
libero of
receive for libero.
USI.
And that was a great coverage for the Ateneo. Again, number 6 for Ateneo finds the line. It was a great hit for the Ateneo spiker.
Pasok na pasok pa rin yon. It's 16-18. Dalawang kalamangan ng Ateneo. Sunod-sunod na puntos ang nagagawa nila dito sa set number 3. And it's number 9 on the serving line again.
A float serve was there with a great receive for the libero of USI.
Oh,
That was a
miscommunication.
good hit for the middle blocker of USI.
Miscommunication right there from the side of Ateneo. And now USI have the ball.
Castillo is now serving. And that was a miscommunication on the side of Ateneo. A point goes to USI.
And we are tied again on 18-all. Nasa linya na naman si number 5 to serve the ball. Good receive.
A good serve for Castillo. That was straight to the net.
Miscalculation right there. And a timeout called by Ateneo. We have 19 to 18 points here. Isa lamang ang kalamangan ng USI dito, Ajon.
So
Magandang
kanina
laban.
natin, lamang ang Ateneo, but ang USI is really doing their best in order to get a point.
Yes, points after points ang nangyayari dito sa set number 3. Magandang laban ay pinapakita nila sa live audience at sa kanilang mga supporters na talaga namang walang sawang sumusuporta sa kanila. And of course, sa ating live viewers, maraming salamat sa inyong pagtutok. Live na here pa rin yan dito sa Bucal Facebook page, GYMNASIUM Sports TV. We are back again.
Serving Castillo for USI. Chance to manufacture a point for Ateneo. A great pickup for Castillo. Saison. And it was back to the side of USI. A great blockers of Ateneo.
A
is
strong
now
block there. We are tied again on 19-all. Talaga namang hindi nila pinapahinga ang mga nanonood dito sa loob ng NCF covered court at sa mga nanonood sa atin ng live.
Castillo. Diving. Oh, it was a point for USI. Castillo was able to find the lob.
Yes, it was still on the line. Nakuha
According to
na.
the first referee, it was on the line.
Ayan, pasalamatan din natin ang ating mga sponsors, NAGA College Foundation, Trig Di Calibre Security Agency, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges, Mangcox Kinalas, at Mansonic Security Agency. And now, the ball is on USI.
Ateneo chance to counter.
And the score goes again to the side of USI. It's 21-19. Talaga namang kumapit ka na sa inyong upuan dahil magandang laban ang ibinibigay ng ating dalawang kupunan na ito.
Serving. Number 6, taking his time. A great pickup for the Liberos of Ateneo.
The ball is still alive right there.
Free ball for the Ateneo. Number 6.
It was outside. We have 19 points from Ateneo and 21 to USI. Magandang laban. Sigawan dito sa loob ng NCF covered court. It was 22-19 points.
Ateneo, chance to counter. Saison with a great pickup. Saison again. Chance to counter for Ateneo.
It was outside.
Two consecutive points for USI.
And a timeout called by the side of Ateneo. It's 23-19.
We are now in the end of our third set.
23-19, magandang laban ito. Talaga namang hindi pa tapos dahil ang Ateneo aarangkada pa habang itong Ateneo hinihintay na lamang ang 2 puntos dito.
USI just need 2 points in order for them to close this third set. This is a tight and exciting game for all of us here at the NCF covered court.
Yes, Ajan, ramdam na ramdam mo nga ang energy dito sa loob at kahit tayo talagang napapakapit sa upuan dahil magandang laban ay pinapakita ng 2 kupunan na ito. And we have number 6 from the side of USI to serve that ball. He is taking his time.
Great to see you for the libero. Team captain, Ateneo, a good goal for Saison. Castillo, a free ball. Tries to manufacture a point for Ateneo. A point for
We are on set point. Isang putos na lang makukuha na ng USI ang set number 3. And again, number 6 on the serving line for the USI side. Great receive from the libero of Ateneo.
Ateneo.
A strong drive.
Of USI.
And that ends our set number 3. USI wins against Ateneo with 25-19. 2-1 na nga sa ating talaan. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Fast break layup. It's good.
Hi everyone, I am Mary Bless Eliza Balan, 18, from Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, taking up Bachelor's of Science in Development Communication, and I will be your courtside reporter for Bucal Season 4. I grew up really sheltered and hindi rin ako masyadong sporty. But I am an active dancer and public speaker, so I really enjoy the spirit of the crowd. Kaya naman nung nagkaroon ng chance to be part of the Bucal Season 4, grinab ko talaga siya agad. Ngayong season, ihahatid ko sa inyo ang siksik liglig, walang labis, walang kulang na balita sa loob at labas ng hardcourt. Bucal Season 4 is fast approaching, kaya naman samahan nyo kaming tuklasin kung sino ang susunod na kampiyon. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng Mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good.
And we are back live here at the NCF Covered Court and live on GNN Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon, USI was able to get their win on the third set. They are now ahead 2-1 over USI. And to know more what happened in that third set, let's hear from our courtside announcer, Eliza.
Ayan na nga, nagsisimula na dito ang set number 4. Ateneo to serve the ball. It's number 6 on the serving line. Alam mo, Arjon, papasok na tayo ng papasok sa totoong laban.
A great serve and a great pickup for USI. A great hit for number 9. A great point for him.
It's 2-1 na. Isa na nga ang kalamangan dito ng USI. A great start to set number 4. USI to serve the ball, and it was outside.
Outside, a point for the Ateneo.
We are tied again. It's 2-all. Number 12 to serve the ball for the side of Ateneo. We are taking his time. Alam mo, John, it's set number 4. Talaga namang kaabang-abang na tong set number 4 na ito.
Malayo pa tong game na ito, Tien. We're just in the fourth set. Madami pang aabangan sa team na ito. USI Ateneo doing their best in order to win their first match.
Ayan na nga, service error from the side of Ateneo. And now USI has the ball. Number 9 to serve the ball.
Chance to manufacture a point for number 19. A great pick-up for Castillo. Saison. A great pick-up for the libero. Spike. And that was a great dig for Castillo. Mira. Ateneo. Chance to counter. A great dig for number 9 of USI. We're seeing a long rally here. Number 4.
Ayan, it's 3-2. Pero bago natin pagpatuloy ang labang ito, ayan na nga, it's Ateneo to serve the ball.
Ateneo team captain is now serving. But for the meantime, to know what happened on the third set, let's call and hear our courtside reporter, Eliza.
Falcons, yan nga ang nangingibagbaw na sigaw dito kanina sa loob ng NCF covered court. Nabawi nga ng USI Falcons ang panalo sa set 3. Naging sandigan nila ang malupitang pag-attack at dig sa set na ito. The coach commended how aggressive the team are. Ituloy lang daw ang magandang nasimulan pero wag masyadong makampante hanggat hindi nila nakukuha ang panalo. Yan ang ulat sa courtside. Balik sa inyo, Aljon and Tin.
Dapat maging kampante dito ang USI because it's just set number 4. John, ano ba ang nangyari sa set number 3?
Looking back at their statistic on the third set, Ateneo 10 spikes over 6 of USI blocks. Ateneo got 2 and USI got 2. Service is aces. Ateneo got 0 over 1 of USI. However, the errors of Ateneo has been their problem on that third set. That's why USI was able to win that third set.
Dito naman sa set number 4, it's 6-3. Lamang ang USI ng tatlo. Number 4.
Great spike and an authority for the Ateneo.
A strong spike there from Ateneo. And they have the ball to serve right there. It's 6-4. Dalawa ang kalamangan ng USI dito. Number 19. A service error straight from the net. A score goes to USI. 7-4 na ang ating talaan dito. And number 15 to serve the ball for the side of USI.
Lira is now serving. It was outside the point for Ateneo. Again, we're seeing an exchange of service errors for this both teams.
Yes, for the side of Ateneo, number 9 to serve. Great receive.
A great bid, but it was outside the point to the USI.
It's 8-5. Tatlo ang kalamangan dito ng USI. Sabi nga nila, hindi pwedeng magpakapadle dahil malayo-layo pa ang lalakbayin ng dalawang koponan na ito. And number 14 to serve. It was outside.
Service error for the side of USI.
Yan, kailangan lang nilang bawasan ang errors na nagagawa nila because this is a very crucial set for this matchup. Number 4 to serve the ball for the side of Ateneo.
A great serve for Ateneo. Free ball for Ateneo. Number 6, a great dig for Mira. Castillo, and that was deflected, but outside. What a great powerful hit for Castillo.
It's 8-7 points or 8-6 points in the set number 4. Number 5 to serve the ball.
Team captain of Ateneo, free ball. Again, USI, Saison. And that was inside the point to Ateneo. Ateneo is now showcasing their blocking skills in
Yes.
this fourth set.
A set of blocks talaga namang malalakas at matatangkad itong sa side ng Ateneo. And number 6 to serve the ball.
A great pickup for the libero of USI. A quick hit for number 9.
It's 10-7 na sa ating talaan. Tatlo ang kalamangan ng USI. But still Ateneo digging for that score. Number 6 on the serving line, taking his time.
A float serve. A great receive by Ateneo. Number 12. What a great day for Castillo. But it was
And
a
that
point
score,
for the Ateneo.
it's 10-8. Dalawa na lamang ang kalamangan dito sa set number 4. At number 12 on the serving line for the side of Ateneo. It
Straight
was
to the net. And
Yes.
there again for service of Ateneo.
an error again. Ang bola nasa USI na. And number 9 will serve the ball. It's 11-8. Tatlo ang kalamangan dito ng USI. Magkadikit ang puntos dito. Great
A
receiver
great
number
serve for
19.
USI. And it was a score for them.
Ayan na nga. It's 11-8. Again, it's 12-8. And number 9 to serve the ball.
And we're seeing a substitution here for the serving of USI. Service specialist for USI, number 7.
He is taking his time. You can really feel the tension here.
A great pick up of the libero of Ateneo. Great dig. Saison. A great coverage for Ateneo. Again, a long rally here. And that was a 4 touches awarded to USI. A point for the Ateneo.
Yes, and as we can see, number 2 on the service or the serving line for the side of Ateneo. You can feel the tension inside the NCF covered court as we twisted their hands and pray kung sino nga ba ang mananalo sa laro
For
ito.
the meantime, a point is awarded to Ateneo.
Yes,
It was an over-receive.
muntika na yun, Naljon. But still, Ateneo got that point. 12 to 10. Number 2 on the serving line. Taking his time. Great to see from number 2.
Castillo, a free ball. Ateneo, a chance to counter. A quick, and that is a hit with the point.
A point after point dito sa set number 4. It's 12 to 11. Isa na lamang ang kalamangan ng USI dahil humahabol itong Ateneo. And again, it's number 2 on the serving line for the side of Ateneo. He is taking his time.
Chance to counter for Mira. And that was a straight to the nerve. Point to Ateneo.
It's 13 to 12 dito sa ating talaan. It's 12 to 12. And again, for the end time, it's number 2 on the serving line. You
We
can
are now
really
tied
feel, yes,
at
Aljon.
12. Again, a straight to the net, an error for the side of the Ateneo.
They need to reduce these errors. It's a very crucial set for this matchup. And number 2 on the serving line for the side of USI. Again,
Again, service is on the side of USI. We're seeing an exchange of service errors in this both teams.
and it's number 19 on the serving line of Ateneo. They need to be careful with their moves here.
A great pick up from John Marie Saison. Again, a spiking error.
It's 13 to 14. Lamang na nga ang Ateneo dito ng isang punto sa set number 4. And number 19 again on the serving line. He is taking his time. Great to see from the libero of USI.
Castillo. And that was a powerful hit.
Yeah, inaabot pa.
Ateneo wasn't able to handle the spike of Castillo.
And that score goes to USI. We are tied again in set number 4. 14 all. Number 15 serving the ball. Great to see from the libero.
For the libero. Number 9. A chance to counter for USI. Castillo again. What a great coverage. And that was a great rally. Chance to counter for Ateneo. Long rally. But the point is awarded to Ateneo.
Yan nga, nakakuha nga ng Ateneo. Dito ang puntos. It's 15 to 14. Isang kalamangan nila. Siyempre, wag din natin kalimutang batiin ang mga nanonood sa atin ng live dito sa GNN Sports TV. Maraming salamat po. It's set number 4.
For the
USI versus
meantime, we're
Ateneo.
now seeing a long rally. Castillo. A great pickup for the Ateneo. Jersey number 6. And it was outside.
Ayan nga. Nakuha nga dito ng USI ang puntos. It's 15 all at tied again for set number 4. Ramdam na ramdam mo, Adjol, ang tensyon dito sa loob ng NCF covered court. Both supporters really are praying na manalo ang kanilang koponan. Great receive by number 8.
Number 12 again. And that was a touch awarded a point for the Ateneo.
Lamang dito ang Ateneo ng isang puntos. Palitan lang ng puntos dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. And hindi ka talaga mapapanatag because they are giving their best with the set number 4. And
Still
number
serving.
4,
Number 4, a float serve. Again, it was outside.
an error.
Palitan lang tayo ng puntos dito, Tian. We're seeing that these players of both teams is giving their best to win their first match. And that was a great service ace for Castillo.
It's 17-16. Lamang nga dito ang USI ng isang puntos. Number 5 again on the serving line of USI. Great receive
A
for the
great
libero.
serve by Castillo. A great coverage with the Ateneo. Chance to manufacture a point. A great coverage again for USI. A free ball for the Ateneo. Chance to counter for Ateneo. And it was long. A point is awarded to USI.
Dalawa na nga ang lamang ng USI sa set number 4. It's 18-16. Number 5 to serve. Great receive from number 8. Number 6. Quick attack.
And that was a great rally. Joust at the net. Joust again. And the point is awarded to Ateneo. 2 touches on the side of USI.
Isa na nga lamang ang kalamangan dito ng USI habang paunti-unting kinukuha ng Ateneo ang puntos dito sa set number 4. It's number 6 on the serving line.
A great serve for Ateneo. Chance to counter for Ateneo. Team captain. And that was a great dig for the libero of USI. And it was a long ball. Point for Ateneo.
We are tied again. 18-all dito sa set number 4. Dikit na dikit ang laban. Talagang ramdam na ramdam ang kaba at tensyon dito sa loob. Number 6 to serve.
And that was an ace for jersey number 6 and the Ateneo side.
Ateneo is down by 1. It's 18-19. And a timeout called by the side of
Of
USI.
USI.
Ayan, Aljon. Isa na lamang ang kalamangan ng Ateneo dito. At ramdam na ramdam mo na talagang isang magandang laban ang inihahatid ng dalawang kupunan na
Ang
ito.
dalawang kupunan na to, hindi talaga nagpapatalo dahil palitan lang ng puntos, palitan ng atake at palitan ng mga blocks. We're also seeing different variations from their spikes, from their quicks, and even their service aces.
This is a very good first match for this day. Talaga namang kaabang-abang dahil hindi pa tapos ang laban dito. Again, it's 18-19 lamang ang Ateneo sa set number 4. We have number 6 on the serving line for the side of Ateneo. Taking his time. A good fight between these two teams.
A great serve. A free ball for the Ateneo. A reset. Chance to counter for USI. Again, a free ball for the Ateneo. And that was a monster block from the USI, their blocking team
Yes.
is now clicking in the set. Blocking is very much important in this match of this both teams.
We are tied again at 19-all. And number 6 on the serving line. Very crucial set. Great set right
A
there.
chance to counter Ateneo. And that was outside. No, it was a block touch according to our first referee, Robel Astingor.
And that point goes to Ateneo. who is down by 1. And it was outside. An error occurred here on the side of Ateneo.
Again, we are tied. Palitan lang tayo ng puntos dito. 5 points is the need of USI. They needed 5 points to close this set. However, the Ateneo, I'm sure they will never gonna give up to extend this match for the meantime.
It's 21-20. Isa na lamang ang kalamangan dito ng Ateneo. 4 points to go. And they can get the set number 4, but still alive ang USI dito with 20 points. And Ateneo, number 2 on the serving line.
A long service for Ateneo. Chance to counter. And that was a great spike. That was through the blockers of the Ateneo.
For the end time, we are tied on set number 4. It's 21-all. Talaga namang this is so unpredictable. Kung sino nga bang mananalo sa set number 4.
A great dig with the libero of Ateneo. A tight set, and the points awarded to the Ateneo.
Nakuha nga ng Ateneo ang puntos dito.
It was a someone touches the net in the side of USI according to our first referee, Rebel Astingor. Long rally here. Chance to counter for Ateneo. Through the block. That was
It's 23-21. And a timeout called by the side of Ateneo. Ajon, ramdam na ramdam nyo ang init sa loob ng court. It's 23-21. Dalawa na lamang dito sa Ateneo. But still, hahabol ang USI to get the set number 4.
We're seeing the quality volleyball that we want, Tien.
Yes, Aljon, talaga namang nakaka-excite ang larong ito. Hindi mo alam if it's USI or Ateneo to win this set, but still they are giving us a good fight and a good match here.
The USI just need a 1 set to close this match, but the Ateneo also need 1 set in order to tie this match.
Ayan nga, pasalamatan din natin ang nanonood sa atin ng live. Hello, hello sa inyo. Support your teams. Ayan. At hello dito kina Brent Yuan, Francie Plasencia, Dalogdog. Kumusta kayo? I hope you're enjoying the match because a lot of people are enjoying here inside the NCF covered court.
A great serve again for the Ateneo.
We are on set point. It's 24-21. Isa na lamang para dito sa side ng Ateneo para makuha ang set number 4.
We are now
Number
on the set
19.
point. And that was outside the point. Goes to USI. We are now 22-24 of the Ateneo. USI needed to do something in this set. Chance to
Last
counter
error.
for the Ateneo. And that was a great point for the Ateneo.
And that is our set number 4. Ateneo wins against USI. It's 25-22. Magpapalik pa rin po kami sa para sa set number 5. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good.
Hi everyone, I am Mary Bless Eliza Balan, 18, from Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, taking up Bachelor's of Science in Development Communication, and I will be your courtside reporter for Bucal Season 4. I grew up really sheltered and hindi rin ako masyadong sporty. But I am an active dancer and public speaker, so I really enjoy the spirit of the crowd. Kaya naman nung nagkaroon ng chance to be part of the Bucal Season 4, grinab ko talaga siya agad. Ngayong season, ihahatid ko sa inyo ang siksik liglig, walang labis, walang kulang na balita sa loob at labas ng hardcourt. Bucal Season 4 is fast approaching, kaya naman samahan nyo kaming tuklasin kung sino ang susunod na kampiyon. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good.
We are back here live at the NCF Covered Court and live on the GNN Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are seeing a quality volleyball. Ateneo was able to snatch the fourth set and now we're tied to 2 sets apiece. We're now heading into 5th set. We have to expect more from these two teams. They are giving their best in order to win their first match. And to know what happened on the 4th set, let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Eliza.
Ateneo won big fight! Yan nga, sobrang agresibo ng Ateneo. Golden Knights sa set 4. Ayon nga sa coach ng Ateneo, this is about the team against the pressure, against themselves. Ilabas ang lakas at ipakita ang lahat ng natutunan sa trainings. Common sense, huwag sayangin ang pagod, effort at ang pagkakataon. Ang ganda nga na nagiging laban ngayong hapon. Huwag na natin yan patagalin. Back to you, Teen and Aljon.
Thank you so much, Eliza. And it's true. Magandang laban nga ay pinapakita dito ng Ateneo at USI. We are done on 1 set. It's the 5th set of the USI Ateneo matchup.
And we are now tied again, team. This is a tied set for this both teams.
And number 6 of Ateneo side serving.
A great day for Castillo. Saison finds the blocker. That was a through the block for Saison.
And the score goes to USI. This is a very crucial set, Aljon. Dahil dito, makikilala na natin ang mananalo sa larong ito. Number 9
A
serving.
win or lose set in. Quick, and that catches the line.
We are tied again on 2-on-2. Walang nagpapatalo, walang nagpapadaig sa dalawang koponan na ito. And again, it's number 12 on the serving line for the side of Ateneo. You can feel the
Taking his
tension.
time to serve. And it was an outside. That was a crucial service error because in this 5th set, you shouldn't have commit any errors because every point is important.
Yes, and number 2 on the serving line. Great receive from the libero of Ateneo.
Chance to manufacture a point for the team captain. And that was outside.
Score goes to USI. And number 2 is on the serving line again. It's 4-2. Dalawa na nga ang kalamangan dito ng USI sa set number 5 and it was a service error coming from
All service errors here. This is a crucial match for this both teams. Service errors should be.
number 2 of Ateneo serving. Taking his time. Good receive.
Number 15, Mira. Ateneo. That was through the blockers of USI. Number 19 of Ateneo really finding the hole in the blockers of the USI.
We are tied again on 4-all. Number 2, serving line. Walang magpapadaig sa dalawang koponan na ito. Taking his time.
A great pick up for Saison. No, it was an overreaching awarded to USI. A crucial error there.
John, ano ba yung overreaching para naman sa ating Volleyball 101?
Ang overreaching team, ito yung bola na dapat nasa kabilang court na, however, kinukuha pa rin ng setter or ng opponents nila.
Ayan na nga, USI.
Mira. Chance to counter for Ateneo. A great pick up for the libero of USI. Castillo will adjust. Want to play. Long rally here. A great dig for the libero of Ateneo. A great hustle for the libero of USI. And that was a long ball for Mira. A crucial error there.
And the score goes to Ateneo. We are down to 6-4. Dalawa na ang kalamangan dito ng Ateneo. Tumahabol din ng USI. And number 2 on the serving line to serve the ball. Great receive from USI.
And that was again on 2 touches for the USI according to our first referee.
And that's point goes to Ateneo. And a timeout called again. And now we are witnessing a great game between Ateneo and USI na talaga namang hindi nagbibigay ng paghinga dito sa mga tao sa loob ng NCF covered
Sulit
court.
ang bayad ng ating mga supporters sa team na ito. They're showcasing what is the excellence in quality in terms of volleyball.
Ayan, batiin din natin ang mga taong nanonood sa ating live. Hello, hello. Sit back and relax dahil ito na ang 5th set ng Ateneo versus USI. And Ateneo will serve the ball. That's number 2 on the serving line. Taking his time.
Taking his time for service. That was a great service. Captain of the Ateneo. We are now change hands.
It's 8-4. Apat ang kalamangan dito ng Ateneo. Konting puntos na lamang makukuha na at malalaman natin kung sino ang magwawagi sa laban na ito.
So the service aces of Ateneo is now collecting for them. We know that service aces can also make a point.
Yes, Jordan. Now, number 2 on the serving line on the side of Ateneo. And you can feel the tension here. A great match between these two teams. Talaga namang hindi nila tayo binibigyan ng dead air. Hindi nila tayo binibigyan ng isang pangit na laban. Dahil nga ngayon, nasa set number 5 na tayo with an excellent match between these two. And number 2, serving.
Taking his time, team captain of Ateneo. A great serve again by the team captain. A good hustle from USI. Chance to counter for Ateneo. A pipe spike. A great day for the libero of USI. Castillo. That was a great day by the team captain of Ateneo. A chance ball for USI. A quick recovery for USI. Castillo finds the hole in that goal.
Nakuha nga ng USI ang puntos dito. It's 5-8. Humahabol at lumalaban pa rin ang USI dito. Tatlong kalamangan ng Ateneo. Number 7 to serve.
A great steal for the Ateneo. Chance to counter. A good pickup by Saison. Castillo. Again, a great dive by the Ateneo. A chance ball for USI. Castillo again. We have cross and points below.
2 straight points coming from USI and a timeout called by Ateneo. It's 6-8. Dalawa ang kalamangan dito ng Ateneo at buhay na buhay pa rin ang bola sa larong ito. It's USI versus Ateneo. Dito pa rin yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
It's good.
Back here on our 5th thrilling set, USI against the Ateneo, the NAGA, serving number 7 for USI. There was a long ball, one to Ateneo.
Ayan, bago tayo magpatuloy, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. NAGA College Foundation, 3D Calibre Security Agency, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges, Lemon Residences, Mangkok's Kinalas, Mansonic Security Agency, NCF Wings, DLMR Psychometric Center, Nagayan Travels and Tours, at Doña Osang Restaurant and Catering Services. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
And for the meantime, that was a point awarded to USI.
It's 79. Dalawa ang kalamangan dito ng Ateneo.
Malayo patutin.
Number 14 survey.
Chance to counter for Ateneo. A check ball for the Ateneo.
And that score goes to
The Ateneo, it's now 10-7. Ateneo just need 5 points to win their first match.
Siyempre, hindi pa rin magpapatalo dito ang USI. Hahabol at bibigyan tayo ng magandang laban sa set number 5. Good receive from the libero of USI.
Mid-set, Ateneo, chance to counter quick. And that was a point awarded to USI. Somebody touches the net in the side of the Ateneo.
It's 9-10. Isa na lamang ang kalamangan dito ng Ateneo. Number 5 to serve.
A great receiver, the libero. Chance to counter for USI. We're seeing a long rally here. And that was awarded a point for USI. That was a 4 touches in the side of Ateneo.
It's 10-9. Isang kalabangan ng Ateneo. At ramdam na ramdam mo ang hiyawan at sigawan dito sa loob ng NCF covered court.
Chance to counter for Ateneo. And that was outside point to USI.
We are tied 10-all. And a timeout called again. We are tied here on set number 5. It's 10-all. Isang magandang laban. It is very unpredictable with this both teams, John. Talaga namang kaabang-abang kung sino ang mananalo sa larong ito.
This is a tight 5th set, and this is what we want to watch in our day 2 of Bucal Men's Volleyball Season 4.
Yes, it's really a bang to start the game here at day 2 of Bucal Men's and Women's Volleyball. As you can see, a lot of supporters here supporting their teams for USI and Ateneo.
Serving the USI side, Castillo. Taking this time to serve. A great serve for Castillo. A nice coverage for USI. Saison. A great coverage for Ateneo. Chance to counter for Ateneo. A great dig for USI. Saison. Intercepted by the blocker. Saison tries one more time. That was a great shot for the Ateneo.
A low rally right there, but still Ateneo has the point. And now we're seeing people talagang naghihiyawan na dito sa loob ng NCF covered court. It's 11-10. Isang kalamangan ng Ateneo. It's number 4 serving the ball.
A float serve. A great serve for the Ateneo. Ateneo is now on the lead. 10-12. A timeout called by USI.
Alam mo, John, talaga namang abang-abang itong larong ito. Talaga naman yung mga nanonood sa atin ng live at sa Facebook page, talagang hindi nila alam kung saan ba mapunta ang laban na to because they are giving their best. Ateneo and USI is really at their pinpoint.
We're seeing the supporters screaming from the both teams. They are cheering to their idols.
Yes, John, napapainom ako ng tubig dito because it's a great fight. Talaga namang ang pagbukas ng dito ng Bucal ay talaga namang napakaganda. It's USI versus Ateneo. Ayan. And now, the ball is now on Ateneo's side. It's 10-12. Dalawa ang lamang dito ng Ateneo. We can feel the tension between the supporters of both teams. Number 4 taking his time.
A float serve again. Castillo. Quick. A great dig with number 9 Ateneo. A great dig by number 7. Chance to counter for Ateneo. A great dig by the Rivera. A point goes to the Ateneo.
Ayan na! It's 10-13 points. And to know more about the happenings inside the court, let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Eliza. And now, we're on a long rally here. USI has the ball.
A free ball for Ateneo. Chance to counter. Ateneo. A free ball. Chance to manufacture a point for USI.
Ayan! Again, with our courtside reporter, anong balita dyan, Eliza?
Ilang minuto na lang malalaman na natin kung sino ang panalo sa set na ito. Sabi ng kampo ng Ateneo, habulin ang panalo. Sabi naman ng USI, may 2 puntos pa at hindi muna. Back to you, Alden and Tin.
So much, Eliza. We are down to 1 with this Ateneo versus USI matchup.
Ateneo is now a match point. A great rally here. Saison. Chance to counter for Ateneo. USI is not giving up in this 5th set.
It's 11-14. Tatlo lamang ng Ateneo. Ngunit isang puntos na lamang para makuha nila ang panalo sa larong ito. And it was a great fight between these two teams. And I'm really excited kung sino nga ba ang magwawagi sa larong ito. And now, USI has the ball. They're taking their time. There's an injury on the side of Ateneo. But still, the game is alive. It's number 6 on the serving line for the side of Ateneo, for the side of USI. Ayan na, John. We're seeing a lot of reactions here from the live audience and of course from the viewers sa ating Facebook Live. And again, it's number 6 on the serving line. Good to see from the libero of Ateneo. Nanahig na nga ang Ateneo dito, 15-11, 3-2. At sa ating pagbabalik, mas makikilala pa natin ang best player ng mga kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Fast break left. It's good.
Hi everyone, I am Mary Bless Eliza Balan, 18, from Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, taking up Bachelor's of Science in Development Communication, and I will be your courtside reporter for Bucal Season 4. I grew up really sheltered and hindi rin ako masyadong sporty. But I am an active dancer and public speaker, so I really enjoy the spirit of the crowd. Kaya naman nung nagkaroon ng chance to be part of the Bucal Season 4, grinab ko talaga siya agad. Ngayong season, ihahatid ko sa inyo ang siksik liglig, walang labis, walang kulang na balita sa loob at labas ng hardcourt. Bucal Season 4 is fast approaching, kaya naman samahan nyo kaming tuklasin kung sino ang susunod na kampiyon. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break left. It's good.
We are back here live at the NCF Covered Court and live on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. That was a thrilling fifth set. Both teams, USI and Ateneo, has been showcasing their excellence in volleyball. Since first set down to fifth set, we're seeing the Ateneo side, the variations and their spikes, even their blocking is actually effective. Their service aces as well. Congratulations, Ateneo Golden Knights. And our best player is brought to you by the College of Engineering. And to know more about our best player of the game, let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Eliza.
Kasama ko nga ngayon ang best player of the game, ang alas ng tatak asul, jersey number 6, Vaccine Silo, na nakakuha ng 20 points, 4 service ace, 4 reception. Maxine, ano ang nararamdaman mo na ikaw nga ang alas ng tatak asul?
First of all po, napaka-happy kasi first time ko pong magbukal, first time kong mag-compete dito, and yun nga po, naging POG pa, yun, napaka-happy po.
Maxine, from the start to the very end, sobrang mainit nga ang labanan pero nakuha nyo pa rin ang panalo. What was the most challenging part for you? And also, what moments mo na feel that that Ateneo is a team?
Siguro po yung pinaka-challenging part is yung mga nag-error na po kami kasi napipressure na kami, hindi lang sa aming sarili kundi rin po sa labas ng court. Yun po.
Bucal fans are very happy for the Ateneo. Ang daming ang sumigaw, ang daming ang sumuporta at humiyaw para sa Ateneo Golden Knights. siguradong marami ka rin gustong pasalamatan at batiin. Take it away.
Ang binabati ko po yung family ko and family ng mga teammates ko na nanood pa po dito. Binabati ko rin po yung mga classmates ko and mga friends ko and sa coaches namin, si Coach Rich and si Coach Hoson po. And especially po kay God. Yun po. Thank you po.
Alright, there you have it again, Maxine Silo of Ateneo. Ayan, mukhang handang-handa na nga ang tatak asul para sa kanilang victory party. Kaya again, this is Mary Blas Eliza Belen, your courtside reporter for Bucal Season 4. Back to you, Aljan and Teen.
Thank you so much, Eliza. And that was our best player of the game, Maxine Silo of Ateneo de NAGA University. So, John, ano nga ba yung naging statistics niya dito sa larong ito?
First, congratulations, Maxine Silio, for showcasing us what your best can do in this hard court. So, Maxine Silio got 20 points, 4 service aces, and 4 excellent reception.
Yes, John, isang magandang laban ang ipinakita sa atin dito ng USI and Ateneo. At bago tayo magtapos, syempre pasalamatan din natin ang ating live viewers at audience dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court. And of course, our sponsors, we have NAGA College Foundation, Reed de Calibre Security Agency, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges, Lemon Residences, Mangkok's Pinalas, Mansonic Security Agency, NCF Wings, DLMR Psychometric Center, Nagayan Travels and Tours at Doña Osang Restaurant and Catering Services.
Also, the Cancer Viaje, the V-Art Gallery by NCF, Cap Azon, Peñaflor, NCF Driving Pool, Willie & Sons, SMC Naga, Tigers Cafe, Wow, Worlds of Water, AAT Graphics and Arts, and NCF Training Pool.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
This has been the Bucal Men's Volleyball Season 4, and I'm Aljan Pogoy, and with me is...
I am Christine Reyes. Stay tuned for the game number 2. It's Women's Volleyball UNC versus Ateneo. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.